This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a LinkedIn developer app, your client ID and secret, and a valid redirect URI. Next, request the minimal scopes you need. For profile and posting, use R Lite profile, R email address, W member social. Once done, install requests and OAuth-lib in a virtual environment and prepare a small Flask or Fast API callback to receive authorization codes. You'll build the authorization URL, send the user to LinkedIn, and capture the code that's returned to Exchange for an access token. Once you have the authorization code, post to LinkedIn's access token endpoint with client credentials and the code to receive an access token. You'll parse the JSON, persist the token securely, and note the expires in value because you must refresh or reauthorize later. Next, call the REST endpoints with authorization, bearer token, and appropriate headers. For profile calls, use v2/me. For shares, use v2/ugg posts or v2/shares, depending on your need, forming JSON bodies that follow LinkedIn schema. To complete integration, test posting and profile retrieval in a staging app, confirming responses are 200 and payloads match expectations. Ensure you use the correct author URN like earn, lie, person, ID when creating UGC posts, and include lifecycle state and visibility fields exactly as required. Once done, implement token refresh logic and respectful rate limit handling. If errors occur, inspect HTTP status codes and LinkedIn error messages first. For 401, re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.